Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change any icon on your MacBook to anything you want. So actually it is very easy. As you see, I already changed the icon for my folder to like Jake icon. I think it looks great and I'll show you step by step how to do that. So watch carefully so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, you need to download the icon that you want. So I'll use the Pinterest website for this because it contains a lot of photos. You can use any other website, but I'll use Pinterest. I recommend you to use this website. So here in the search bar, you need to type something like Mac folder icons. So I'll search for folder icons. You can search for any other icons. For example, if you want to change the documents icon, you can look for Mac documents icons. I will change the folder icons. So now you can just simply choose the icon that you like. I like this one, so I'll click on it. And as you can see, here it is. Now, the important step is we need to right click on this photo and just copy image. Don't download this image because it is not transparent. It has this white background around. We need to get rid of this background. So we need to simply right now just copy the image. And now we need to open the website called Removal AI or any other website that removes background. I will use this website. I will leave all the links in the description. And here we need to just simply press Command plus V to paste our picture. So as you can see, here it is, and now websites automatically removes the white background from this picture, and as you can see, successfully removed. Now we need to simply click on the download button right here, and as you can see, our image is downloaded. Now we need to close this photo and check where this image is saved. So click on the downloads button in the top right corner and click on this search button right here. And as you can see, here is our photo. Now we need to close the browser and keep the downloads folder open or any other folder where your icon is downloaded. So now we need to choose the folder or any other document that we want to change the icon for. So for example, I want to change the icon for this folder. I need to right click on this folder and click on Get Info. So now we have this little window opened, and now we need to select the icon, our downloaded icon, and just simply drag it to the icon of this folder right here. As when we see the green plus, it means basically that it successfully had the icon, and we can release the finger. And as you can see, now it changed the icon here and here. And now we can close everything. And basically now we have this cute little icon for our folder. And that is basically how you can customize any icon on your MacBook to anything. So basically it is it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.